Hello everyone again, friends. In this video, I will show you how you can automatically create a discount category or create a discount collection. First of all, what we mean by discount is this. If you are selling a 30 lira product for 20 lira or a product under 30 lira, if you are selling it at a price, you want it to automatically pull into the collection you created under the name of discount instead of constantly updating this product yourself. How can you do this? First of all, click on your Products button and click on the Collections button. Here we create a new collection as available. Discounted. Products. Now we have a collection called Discounted Products. This collection will automatically collect discounted products under the collection. When the customer clicks on it, they will see all the discounted products on the site. When creating this, again, automatic, by selecting the collection type. Here in the conditions instead of the product label. When you select the comparison price and say not empty, you are now... I would like to summarize the logic on the product that I will explain for the sake of summarizing immediately. When you say it is not empty, it will automatically pull these products into this category. As an example, let's see if it has pulled a product right now. As you can see, it pulled one product. Is this product a discounted product? We will see that too. First, let's see our category in our online store. As you can see right now, it pulled one of our discounted products, but we have two products, so the other one is not discounted. What's here now? Men's gold products. We have a men's silver product and two gold products. Now, when we look at our gold product, 30 liras, down to 11 liras. What did we just do with the automatic selection? If the comparison price is not empty, pull it here. The comparison price is the discount price, friends. So we say to the system, my friend, if this place is empty right now, don't pull it, because this price is a normal price. But if there is a content, for example, if we have entered a content for 20 liras, if we have entered a content here, check it. Because what did we do? If we have written 20 liras here, you have already written the discounted price here. So this product will already be in the discounted products category. Now what should we do with it, for example? Let's make it 20 liras again and save it. And let's move on to our other product. What was our gold text? Let's change the gold discounted one to silver. Now, our silver product. As you can see, it is 25 liras, but it is not a discounted product. If we assume that it drops from 30 liras to 25, it will pass as a discounted product. And right now, of course, it doesn't seem to be added. When we refresh our page, now this product added in the discounted products category. As you can see, it already says auto collection. Let's refresh our extra page. And since our two products as men's silver ring, men's gold product were discounted, they automatically came to the discount category. This is how you can easily set up the discounted products category automatically on Shopify and your commercial site. Don't forget to ask any questions you have in the comments section. See you in the next video.